Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2013 Nissan Quest SV van. It is pretty loaded as much as it can be. I mean, it's pretty much an SL, minus just maybe navigation, really, because they have the upgraded aftermarket leather interior, vinyl leather interior, so with the cat skin leather. So powered by the ever-reliable 3.5 V6. It's a powerhouse of an engine. Has unlimited mileage in it. Just change the oil, service it. And the van comes equipped with electric power steering, clean and clear headlights, as well as fog lights. Got a little dent there on the hood. But alloy wheels, newer tires up front, keyless smart entry, tinted windows, and plenty of space. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and seat. And then we get automatic for the driver front and passenger front. We get that cat skin leather all the way around all the factory floor mats. We get the original owner's manual, ice cold AC. We got a clean dashboard here. And then it shows you fuel economy, maintenance on that. Rear backup camera. Also get dual climate controls, AM/FM stereo, satellite radio. Get a couple of cup holders here. Also get a DVD player, which is why I left the vehicle on, so you can see the function of that. But center console armrest, quad cup holders, plug-in, USB connectivity. Up top we have dual vanity mirrors that are illuminated. And the rear spyglass for the rear passengers, push to start. And all the leather's real nice, got the wood grain trim. And then coming to the back here, we got a nice third row seat and armrests for everyone, as well as center console storage and then dual cup holders as well. And then we got Tom and Jerry playing on the rear DVD entertainment system, and ice cold AC back here. We got AC controls for the rear passengers, plenty of lights, plenty of illumination, and then the switches for the doors to close them, so you can close them there on the passenger side or the driver front. You get four-wheel disc brakes on this vehicle. Also get plenty of space back here for any items of storage. You can see how deep the rear cargo area is, and then we get rear illumination back here, as well as an additional charging port. So rear windshield wiper, third brake light. All the paint's in good condition. Everything's working really nicely. And then driver's side, our power windows, locks, mirrors. I did say power driver seat, it does not. So, but it has your power door override on and off, and then the two switches here for opening the sliding rear doors. We got nice touch points for the front headlights and interval wipers, and then we get a multi-function leather wrapped steering wheel for cruise control, Bluetooth and volume controls, and then we also get some info here for range, outside temperature, and maintenance. And here's our rear backup camera. That's functioning properly. Everything's properly working, no issues anywhere. Audio all sounds good. Just warning light on the dash for TPMS. 159,000 original miles. No reported accidents, auto check certified. So this van's ready to go. If you're looking for an inexpensive people mover, people hauler, minivan, this is definitely one good one to get, because they're really reliable and they go a long distance, and you can get them for a really great price. So you can find this exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our vehicles, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.